comfortable in your skin. That's what it is. You know, I'm 50. You understand? I'm so comfortable in my skin right now. Look how long. I know I'm petty. I'm a petty individual. Shit that shouldn't bother me destroys my soul. You understand me? You know what I mean? Like, you ever be so petty that you don't even want to say it out loud? Because you know it's some petty shit. Well, you be like, this is petty. I'm not going to say that. I say it. I don't give a fuck. Somebody has to know. Let me tell you, my cousin came to stay with me. I live in L.A. My cousin came to stay with me. He moved from North Carolina to L.A. The furniture was on the truck behind about 3 days. He said, we need 3 days. I said, I got you. A day and a half in. I went, can't take it no more. I need you to get your shit and go. You understand? And there's a reason you put people out. It ain't like they was running up bills or they wasn't chipping on food. That ain't the problem. This was the problem. The problem was the nigga was using too much ice. That was the problem. It was too much. You know, I'm an ice man. I bought a brand new state-of-the-art refrigerator to make sure I get a fresh glass of ice every time I go and get something to drink. But I noticed that ever since him and this girl been walking around this house, the ice in here been real scarce. That's all I'm saying. You ever go to your refrigerator and expect you get that yeah. 2 kilos, what the fuck is all the ice? Chris walked out with 2 fresh tumblers full of ice. I'm like, nigga, you gotta go. I told my wife, I said, Julie, Kristen done gotta go. She said, what's wrong with you? I said, you're using too much ice. She said, are you crazy? Did you just put your family out because of ice? It ain't just the ice usage. He disrespected my ice functions as well. I'm a cubed ice man. He obviously is a crushed ice guy. But it seems like to me, after you get your crushed ice, you put the function back on cubed ice. Because you not fuck off the only 2 cubes you obviously think I deserve. You ever seen what 2 cubes of crushed ice look like? The shit evaporates when you fill your glass up. Get your shit, you gotta go. No, nigga, leave my ice here, but I need you to go. I'm ready. That's who I am, and I'm fine with it. Stuff that bother other people don't bother me. My grandmother died. Everybody was upset, but I wasn't upset that grandma was dead. And everybody's like, she was your favorite. How could you not? What did God do? I said, grandma was 92. It's over. Let me tell you something. When my grandmother died, that's how I knew it was okay to let grandma go. Last time I saw grandma alive, she was pissed off she was still alive. I never seen her. The neighbors were like, hey, grandma, what you doing? Nothing. Just sitting here, David. I said, why don't you turn on the TV? I've seen all the shows. I don't want to see no more shows, David. I gotta get the fuck out of here. I said, you don't want nothing to eat? I don't want nothing to eat. I don't want to see no shows. I gotta go. I said, yeah, she ain't had enough. So when she died, I knew my grandmother had been dead 20 years. She was waiting on sitting, waiting on watching years. I said, where you at? I've been laying here for 20 years. Where the fuck are you? I'm trying to get the kids to be together, you know what I'm saying? I'm not even this. My Uncle Joe. Uncle Joe died 106. Woo! That's what you say at the funeral of somebody that's 106. Yeah. Woo! Damn, wow. My dramatic ass aunt. He went too soon. I said, what the fuck said that? Too soon? This nigga should have been dead 30 years ago. I should have never met Uncle Joe. You understand? We should have just missed each other. That's all I'm saying. Come on. He went too soon. They say he died of natural causes. I say he killed himself. That's what I say. You figure 106 years. The Lord forgot me, huh? Guess I'm about to do it myself. Uncle Joe, he jumped to his death, too. 106, you ain't got to jump out no window. This nigga jumped off the bed. That was it. Trying to get a cloud of dust in the living room. I backed him up. Uncle Joe went too soon. I love how y'all laughing at old people dying and exploding in dust. But I'm talking about the problem. I need